Hello friends, I am Dr. Priya Narendra Kurkure. Today I am going to teach you one topic from learning teaching in childhood and growing up for B.Ed first year students. My topic is Piaget cognitive development theory. This is the picture of Jean Piaget. Jean Piaget theory based on cognitive development of child. See this picture. In this picture, Piaget's stages of cognitive development are given. The first stage is sensory motor stage. It is from birth to 2 years. The second is pre-operational stage. It is from 2 to 7 years. Third is concrete operational stage. It is from 7 to 11 years. And the fourth is formal operational stage. It is from 12 and up. So, the Piaget's theory based on 4 components: sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational and formal operational. Now let us see one by one. Sensory motor stage. The sensory motor stage is the first stage of the child's life. According to the Jean Piaget theory of child development, it begins at birth and lasts through age 2. During this period, the little one learns about the world by using their senses to interact with their surroundings. As all of you know that all the children mostly learn so many things before the age of 2. Pre-operational stage. The pre-operational stage is the second stage in Piaget's theory of cognitive development. The stage begins around age 2 and lasts until approximately age 7. During this period, children are thinking at the symbolic level but are not yet using cognitive operations. Concrete operational stage. The concrete operational stage is the third stage in the Piaget theory of cognitive development. This period spans the time of middle childhood. It begins around age 7 and continues until approximately age 11 and is characterized by the development of logical thought. Formal operational state. The formal operational state begins at approximately age of 12. Then they gain the ability to think in an abstract manner by manipulating ideas in their head without any dependence on concrete manipulation. This formal operational stage is the fourth last stage of the cognitive development theory of Jean Piaget. Thanks.